If you own a Philips OneBlade, your shave quality depends on one simple habit: replacing the shaving head at the right time with the right pack. The QP220 and QP230 are genuine Philips replacement heads that fit almost all OneBlade and OneBlade Pro handles, including popular models like QP2520 and QP6510. The only real difference is pack size. QP220 gives you 2 blades, around 8 months of typical use, while QP230 gives you 3 blades, up to 12 months in a single purchase. Each blade lasts about 4 months, and your OneBlade's wear indicator, an arrow or green bar on the blade, tells you when it is time to swap it out. Choose the pack that matches how often you shave, replace the head as soon as the indicator appears, and keep the blade clean after every use. That way, you get a consistently comfortable shave and lower long-term ownership costs from your OneBlade.